In this video, I will show you how to fix the Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error in the ChatGPT app. This problem usually happens because your device fails Google's security check. And remember, this is not always 100% fixable, especially on modified or non-certified devices. So now let's see how to fix it. First, open the Play Store. Search for Google Play Services. If an update is available, update it. This is very important because outdated services can cause this error. Next, if you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPN can block or interfere with the security verification process. Now uninstall the ChatGPT app from your phone. Then go to Play Store and install it again. This will give you a fresh installation and may fix the issue. That's it. Try these steps and your problem may be fixed. If it's still not working, then it could be a device-related issue.